Do you love finding new places to shop? I know that I do. Love a great new store. So this isn't exactly a new store, but it was new to me. And it's Ramey Floors, and I was so surprised at not just flooring, but all the home decor that they had. So come with me. I'm going to give you a tour of the store. Ooh, that rhymes. and also remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sheila Sells FL Homes. All right, so join me. Okay, so here is Ramey Floor and Home. And this is where we got our kitchen and family room flooring and dining room. And we did this about a year ago. We put this chocolate brown tile floor. It's porcelain tile, and it's the wood look, linear wood look. And this was the original flooring, which is still in our living room. And I thought that we could leave it in the living room and blend it into this, and it would be okay. But after living with it for a year, we still hate the living room. So I'm going back to Ramey to see if they've got it still, and we got it on sale at $1.39 a square foot, which was amazing. I'm sure it's not that price anymore, but I'll be happy if they just have it. So I'm at Ramey, and one of the things I wanted to point out today is that Ramey is not just about flooring. It's got all sorts of other items here, and sort of like one-of-a-kind items. So they have bathroom vanities, which are really cool. I like this cream one with the black top. It's a little different looking, and I like that white one too. I like the double gray vanities. And also what they have, if you look on that back wall, they've got amazing fixtures and handles and doorknobs, the largest selection I've seen. So these vanities are on sale at $2.99. There's big clearance on everything. I'm not sure if that clearance is like one of those, it's always on clearance, but there happens to be clearance signs on everything. So the handle selection is amazing. When I refinished a bureau recently, I looked for handles at Home Depot, and it was pitiful. So these two rounders are filled with knobs and handles. So this is certainly the place to come for that. Pretty amazing. And yeah, so like I was saying, Ramey doesn't have a lot of selection of home dec, but what they have is really cool. I love that cream as well with the black top, and I love this brown one with the black top. And this was on sale. I think it's $13.99. I think it was $2,200. So that's a pretty good price. Yeah, $22.99 to $13.99. And then they have like chimeneas, just these two little separate chimeneas. And then rugs, which I didn't think of Ramey for rugs, for area rugs, but they had a good selection. And like those are $2.99. So that's a good price on an 8x10 area rug. And so if I was to look for rugs again, I'd certainly come back here to check. And then, of course, their flooring you can't really beat. They have a beautiful selection of flooring, and the pricing is good, especially if you, like us, you were able to catch it on a sale. So they also have, a little section here of bureaus and lamps and mirrors and wall art. So here's the bureaus over here. And again, like these might be a little bit pricey, but they're one of a kind. Like that's really pretty. That's unique. So I have to zoom in a little closer to see the price. And then the chairs, they have just a handful of chairs, but they're kind of special. And their lamps are really nice too. They have a very nice assortment of lamps. And over here you have some bureaus with the little beach effect going on and the driftwood effect on the wood. And back in the back there, you have electric fireplaces, which is very cool. And up there you have all the wall art, which is very nice. I like the one in particular in the center. That's the abstract sailboats. I think that's really cool. And they have great floor lamps. And back there, you've got the electric fireplaces, which they have a really good assortment. Love this glass one. It's very cool. That's really neat. I like that mirror right above it with the Art Deco edges. And then this dark wood one, and then the white one next to it. So that's a pretty good assortment for a small store.
Yeah, that's great. I'm so happy to just have found
it. Ones like this before. I think that's really cool. Love that mirror. Love the edging on that mirror. And I like their wall art. It's really, like I said, again, there's just small sections of home dec, but what they have is really kind of neat, kind of special. A good selection of floor lamps and a good selection of regular lamps too. It's a little crowded, so I'm trying to walk around these things to get better pictures, but I could just see myself knocking down a full row of lamps. I'd have no problem with that. So I'm trying to get you a little bit closer in here to see this. And especially these fireplaces. I thought these were impressive. I really like them. Trying to get in to see the prices here. But anyway, and they also have like a nice little section of mirrors. And, like I said, a nice section of lamps. So even though it's, says it's floor for flooring, you do have a nice section of home decor. And also the one in Stuart. This one is Port St. Lucie, and I actually like the home decor. So that's $6.99 on that electric fireplace. I like the home decor in Stuart even better. They have a larger selection, and it's worth a trip. But this one's good too. And then there's your floor lamps, and they have bar stools, and they have side tables. I love that desk lamp too. And then in these cubby holes are your regular lamps. I'm trying to get around these standing lamps so I can get you a picture. This caught my eye though. Love this table. Isn't that cool? So that's $1.99. So that's about an average price on a side table. And then in the back there, you can see the lamps. So they're nice because they have nice shaping, and they're a little bit different, something you're not going to see every day. They've got a little bit more bureaus over here, little side tables. Love this little teal one. And like this green one too. Isn't that pretty? It's got a little bit of an oriental flair to it. And it's got matching end tables here. I love the edging on this piece. Yeah, so they're really pretty. Like if you want like one little special piece, And then the other side of this is the lamps over here, up above right there. I've got another section of lamps. So we've got lots of little one-offs on the bureaus, little small pieces. So definitely worth the trip. I hope you guys liked that. I hope you found it helpful. I think Ramey's store is really cool. It was really surprising to me, like all the different pieces of home decor that they have. So I hope that's one more that you add to your list. And as I've said before, if you have any places that you'd like me to investigate, any new stores in town, happy to go and do a video for you. Or if there's any new projects that you're thinking of trying, let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to tackle that with you as well. So you can find all of my videos are now up on my YouTube channel, Sheila Sells FL Homes, and please like and subscribe. See you guys next week.